Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to turn off Flash on Candy Crush Saga. To turn off Flash setting in Candy Crush Saga, first of all, go ahead and launch open the Candy Crush Saga application on your device and then get to the top right corner and tap on the pink gear button. This will bring up the settings interface. Here, simply tap on the accessibility option. Now right next to flashing effects, if you'd like to turn on the flashing effect within the game, toggle on the button right next to flashing effects. If you'd like to turn it off, simply toggle it off and make sure that it is representing with a cross icon and the toggle button has turned gray. Right after you do that, you will then be able to turn on and off flash settings on your Candy Crush Saga application. And there you have it. That's how you easily turn on and off Flash in Candy Crush Saga in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.